Hi, good morning teacher, good morning friend. Azka studying about gender.
Okay.
Write my name?
Yes. Write your name, please.
Okay.
Okay. And spell in English.
A.
A. Okay.
Q.
Q. And then
I.
Good. And then L.
L.
K.
K.
A.
A.
Space.
Space.
A.
A.
Okay. And then
A.
K. And then
Z.
Z.
K.
K. Okay.
And A.
A. And then one more. The last.
The last is H.
H. Okay. Say your name.
Akila Azka.
Okay. Now
is
what's your gender, Azka?
my gender is boy.
Boy. Okay. Write over here boy.
B-O-Y.
Okay. B-O-Y. Okay.
Here?
I am a boy. Okay. B-O-Y. B. Yes. Good. Okay. Wow. Good job. And then
O.
O. And then
Y.
Y. Okay.
Boy. I am a boy.
I am a boy. Okay. Write over here. What's your name?
Azka.
Okay. Write and spell your name.
Okay.
A.
A.
Z. Okay. And then
K.
K. Okay.
A.
Okay. And then
Space.
not over here.
Over here.
Who are you? I am a
boy.
A boy. Okay.
B-O-Y.
B-O-Y. Okay.
B.
B.
O.
O.
Y.
Y. Okay. Good job.
I am a boy.
Okay. And then now
is
coloring. Where is boy?
a boy is this one.
Okay. Wearing what is?
The head is red.
Hat. And then what is?
Then the
Long
the
pant.
long pant.
And then?
And the shirt.
And then wearing
And
what?
the shoes.
Shoes. Okay. Now is coloring your picture. Okay.
Wait. Okay. It
Okay.
can be now.
Can. Okay. Wait. Okay.
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 Good. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
The head is red.
Okay. Red. Where
Fine
is
red.
red? Fine red. Okay. This red.
Here.
This red too. Okay.
There you go.
Okay. Oh.
Red head.
Red hat. Wow.
Not the hair too.
Good ya. Don't messy. Okay. Hat. Red hat.
Red head.
Okay.
Merah.
Merah.
In bahasa red, in bahasa merah.
Okay. Now is English day. English time. Okay.
English time, yes.
Okay.
And actually, this part too.
Okay. Okay. Good job. Okay. Now
Put it
is
right.
what?
And the shirt is orange.
Orange. Okay. Good. If the body, what color the body?
It's beige.
Beige. Okay, good. Nicely. Red hat and orange shirt.
Yeah.
Okay.
here too. Kakak sneeze.
Yes, kakak sneeze.
Because
Talking with teacher kakak Sam.
Kakak have allergies.
Oh, kakak have allergy. Okay. And then
What is an allergy?
I
Do you
don't
know?
know. Now
It's a
is
little virus.
what is
It's
long pen?
long plan.
What color?
It's black.
Black. Okay.
Black is this.
Yes. Okay.
Black.
Okay. Wow. Black long pen. Okay. Okay, good. What color the shoes letter? Wait, looking the picture.
Green.
Green, good. Okay. Okay, green.
Oh, my name. What about my name?
Yeah, letter coloring to your name. Shoes now. Okay. Okay, and then what body, face and hand.
Beige.
What color?
Beige.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Cover your face.
Yeah.
Cover your ear.
Yes.
And your hair too.
Okay. Okay. Good job. Very nice face. And then hand. Wow. Okay. And then
Then
coloring
my name.
this.
My
Coloring
name
that.
is Blue.
Blue. Okay.
Boy. Boy.
Boy.
B.
And
then after I color is
B no can see there.
O.
Only the part letter boy.
Y.
Okay.
B-O-Y.
B-O-Y.
Boy.
Okay, and then explain your color over here.
This is red.
Red, and then
This is orange.
and then this.
Beige.
Okay, and then this.
And this is blue.
And then this.
Black.
And then
Green.
green. Azka is
A boy.
a boy.
I am a boy.
Okay, say bye bye.
Bye. See you. See you on the next video.